Good morning, students. Had your breakfast? Okay, right. Okay, children. So last class, what you have learned? Yes, exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay. So exterior angle is, it is a ABC is a triangle. BC is produced to D. Then ACD is called an exterior angle. So here the interior angles are angle A and angle B. These two interior angles are opposite to an exterior angle. Okay now? So this is the property of triangle. An exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So that's why we have yesterday learned angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. So this is the property, right? Now next, take your textbooks, take your textbooks. Here example 1, page number 118. Find angle X. So here one figure is given, that is 50 degrees, angle X 110 degrees. 110 degrees. So based on this property, so find X value. We have to find here X value. Okay, so you know very well, interior angles are inside. Okay, so interior means inside of angles. So which are interior angles here? Angle X and 50 degrees. Exterior angle is 110 degrees. We know the property is exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, exterior angle is 110 degrees. Okay, sum of two interiors, sum means addition. Okay, interior angles, so that is 50 degrees plus X. Okay, we have to find here the interior opposite of second angle. So find here the two constants, shift transpose 110 degrees, it becomes minus. Okay, transpose 50 degrees to, it becomes minus 50 degrees. It is equal to X. Subtract 110 degrees minus 50 degrees. Yes, 60 degrees. Now what is that? One more interior opposite angle is 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the way of finding an interior angles using the property exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, children. Next, here we have think, discuss and write. What can you say about each of the interior opposite angles when the exterior angle is a right angle, an obtuse angle, an acute angle? So what can you say about interior angles and exterior angles? If the triangle is a right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, so what can you say? You have to think this one. So, and you have to do yourself. Can the exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? Exterior angle is equal to straight angle or not? So this one also you have to do yourself, and you have try this also. First one, an exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degrees and one of its interior opposite angles is of measure 25 degrees. Find the measure of the other interior opposite angles. Same here we have, we find here X value. Okay, so we don't know one more interior. Even though found here. Okay, so here also he has given exterior angle. Okay, an exterior angle given, that is 70 degrees, and next one of its interior. So one interior angle is 25 degrees, and find the measure of other opposite interior angle. You don't know, so you have to consider the angle as x. So same procedure, same type of problem, you have to find this one also. Very easy, you have to do. Right. Second one, the two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangles are 60 degrees and 80 degrees. Find the measure of exterior angle. Find the measure of exterior angle. So here observe, two interior angles given, you have to find an exterior angle. Same before that you have to draw a triangle and draw an exterior angle. So consider here 60 degrees and 80 degrees are both interior opposite angles to exterior angle. So you don't know exterior angle, assume exterior angle is x. Now find an exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, so exterior angle is x. Interior opposite angles are 60 degrees, yes, plus 80 degrees. So that is equal to 140 degrees. So what is an exterior angle here? An exterior angle is x, that is equal to 140 degrees. Okay, now? Right. So next, third one, is something wrong in this diagram. In the figure, here 50 degrees, 50 degrees. Something went wrong. So he is asking, in this figure contains some mistakes are there, you have to comment this one. Okay, so observe this figure carefully. So where the mistake is happened, that one you have to find and comment. Okay, na? So this one I am giving to you homework, you have to do yourself. Okay, now keep heading in your notebook exercise 6.2. Exercise 6.2. So before writing the classwork, you have to write day to day, page numbers, margins, everything. Okay, don't forget. So write the first question in your notebook. Find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. Here some diagrams given. So draw these diagrams with a pencil and use ruler. Okay. Right. Here find the value of unknown angle. So assume here the unknown angle is, it is an exterior angle. So that means here he has given two interior angles. So he didn't given the exterior angle. Okay, so that means we have to find an exterior angle. We know that property of a triangle. Okay, sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to, yes, an exterior angle. Sum of two interior opposite angles equal to exterior angles. So two interior angles are, yes, 50 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to exterior angle we don't know. So here he has given x. Okay. So now find sum of two angles. 50 degrees plus 70 degrees. 120 degrees. 120 degrees is equal to x. X is nothing but exterior angles. Okay. The two interior opposite angles are equal to an exterior angle. So this is the answer. Okay. So next second. Okay. Second one draw. 65 degrees, 45 degrees, x. Wow. Observe here exterior angle is yes x. So here it forms. So this figure is different. This figure is different. Okay na? So we have to find here x value. So x value is an exterior angle. So always you have to write the property. Whenever you are solving the problem, compulsory you have to write property. Okay. So write here sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angles. We may write exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles also. Right. Sum of interior opposite angles. Yes, 65 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to x. X is an exterior angle. Do sum. 65 plus 45. 5 5 10 6 4 10. Yes, 110 degrees. Okay. So therefore an exterior angle x is equal to 110 degrees. Is it clear, children? So very easy problems. Okay. So write next one, third one. Third problem. Copy in your notebook. Right. So observe here also we have to find an exterior angle. Okay. So it is an exterior angle. Here the exterior angle is formed here. So what are the interior opposite angles? Yes, 30 degrees and 40 degrees. Right here sum of interior opposite angles is equal to sum of interior opposite angles equal to an exterior angle. Exterior angle. So sum of two interior opposite angles. So this exterior angle opposite is these two angles. Okay na? Always I am remembering you. Don't forget. So here 30 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to yes x. Okay, 30 plus 40 degrees. 30 plus 40 degrees, how much? Yes, 70 degrees is equal to x. So what is an exterior angle? Yes, x is equal to 70 degrees. Copy it? Okay children, so next come to the second problem. Find the value of unknown interior angle x in the following figures. Same problems here also you have to find an unknown interior angle. Interior angle you have to find. So from the figure A, an exterior angle is 115 degrees and the two interior angles are 50 degrees and x. Okay. Right. So you know that sum of interior opposite angles are equal to, yes, exterior angle. You have to find an interior angle. So previously you find that you found exterior angle. Here we have to find the interior angle. Okay. So here the two interior angles are 50 degrees and 60 degrees. Sum of two interior opposite angles. So that are 50 degrees plus x degrees. Okay. Or otherwise you may write angle x also. Okay na? So 50 degrees plus angle x is equal to, exterior angle is 150 degrees. Okay. So transpose 50 degrees. Angle x is equal to 115 degrees. Transpose becomes minus 15 degrees. Then angle x is equal to, so 115 degrees, 50 degrees. Subtract both, 5. So here is not subtract, that's why take remainder, take borrow. So what is the remainder here? Yes, 11 minus 5 is 6. And interior angle is 65 degrees. You have to write here an interior angle is 65 degrees. Interior angle, sorry, x is 65 degrees. An interior angle x is 65 degrees. Right ma? So next draw second one, second figure. Okay. Right. Okay, so here also you have to find an unknown interior angle. So always you have to write the property. Sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So here interior angles are, yes, 70 degrees, and the one more interior angle is angle x. So the two interior opposite angles are equal to an exterior angle, that is 100 degrees. Now we have to find an unknown value, that is angle x. So we have to transpose 70 degrees. It becomes minus 70 degrees. Right. Angle x is equal to 100 minus 70 degrees. 30 degrees. So tell me what is that? One more interior angle is, interior angle x is 30 degrees. Okay. So therefore an interior angle x is 30 degrees. Very easy na? Yes. You are enjoying these problems, right ma? Like that, third one you draw. Third one. Right. So you draw this one. Okay, children. Right. Okay, so here you have to find an interior angle. So So he has given exterior angle, he has given two interior angles. But you are seeing here only x. Madam, you don't know. Madam, where is the one more angle? Yes, here one more angle is 90 degrees. It is a right angle now. So here one more angle is 90 degrees. Yes. So find an interior angle. Sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So interior angles are angle x plus 90 degrees equal to 125 degrees. Same. So transpose 90 degrees becomes minus 90 degrees. Now angle x is equal to 125 minus 90. 125 minus 90. Subtract 5 minus 0. 5. So take bar here, it becomes 12. Okay, 12 minus 9, yes, 30. So what is the one more interior angle is 35 degrees. Okay, so 35. So therefore the interior angle is 35 degrees. Okay, now angle x is equal to 35 degrees. Okay children, up to now we have solved these all problems based on the property of a triangle. Okay now, so once again you recall why, because this property is very important ma. Okay, so exterior angle is equal to sum of its two interior opposite angles. So how the proof, how we solve that problem? Okay, so we have seen in the previous class also. So that's why I am repeating this one again, means this property is very important. Okay na? So exterior angle, if they will give exterior angle or not, so we have to find based on interior angles. Okay, okay children, so whatever it may be, in some figures they will give exterior angle, in some figures contains interior angles. Whatever it may be, you have to find the unknown value using this property. Okay na? Right. So in the previous class also we have seen video. Did you observe that one carefully? What I said? Yes. Right. So always you remember this property. Okay now, if I will give any problem, are you ready to solve it? Right. Okay, I will give now homework to you. Okay, take your textbooks. So you have today homework is, try this question number 3 and exercise 6.2.